PracticePanther CRM tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my PracticePanther legal software tutorial. In it, I'll be showing you how to set up and use PracticePanther. What is PracticePanther, by the way? PracticePanther is a cloud-based legal practice management software that helps law firms and attorneys organize cases, track billable hours, manage documents, and automate workflows. To get started is completely free. You're going to go onto PracticePanther.com, enter your email address, and tap on Start Free Trial. After you have verified your email address, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is set up your law firm account. To do this, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on your profile name, select Settings, then go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to see Company Settings and you're going to select Firm, Logo, and Info. From here, you'll be able to upload your law firm's logo and you can also update the info that is currently there. After you have done that, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option once more. From here, you could tap on e-signature and you could enable e-signature. So this will allow you to sign documents and also request others to sign documents. So you could fill that in right there. Another thing that you can also do from the left hand menu option, you could select users and from here you'll be able to add different users. So from here you can add attorneys and different paralegals and so on. So you can do that right there. You can fill them in and you can also select their role. And you can also set your custom hourly rate. By tapping right here, you'll be able to set your hourly rate and you can also see different options that you could update or enable later on. Then once you're finished doing that, we're going to go back onto the home page. Once on the home page, you're going to be adding contacts. So you're going to tap on contacts from the top navigation bar. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on new. Or if you have a pre-recorded list already, a created list, better yet, you could upload your file by tapping on upload file right there. But for this example, we're going to be creating it manually. So we're going to tap on new. After selecting new, you can enter in the person's name. So let's say, for example, I were to create a test contact. So first name Jason, last name Tess. And from there, you could add in their home address, email address, and basic information as you can see right here. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on save. After you have saved it, from here you'll be able to create matters. So these are the different legal cases that you are dealing with. So for example's sake, we could select matters from the top navigation bar. Then you could tap on new. After you have tapped on new, you're going to select the contact, or you could create a new contact. Then you could give the matter a name. So for example's sake, let's say I'll just give it a name. I'll just call it test, for example. After you have done that, you can scroll down. You could fill in the hourly rate, or if you would like to use, for example, a custom hourly rate, a flat rate, an item price, contingency, you can select whichever one of these matter rate. After doing that, you're going to scroll down right here. And from there, you can see additional invoice. If you would like to add an additional invoice recipient, you can do that right there. You can also add the statute of limitation. You can add the date, open date, close date, and so on. You can fill in all of this information. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on save. And you have created your first matter as you can see right there. So just like that, you have created your first case in PracticePanther. The next thing I want you to do is track time and bill clients. To do this, you're going to go to the top navigation bar and you're going to tap on time entries. After selecting time entries, you're going to tap on new time entry. Then from there, you can select the client and you'll see the matter automatically populate. After you have done that, from there you can scroll down and you can select the item. So you can choose that appear for or attend. You can select whichever one of these options. So I'll select appear for. Then from here, you can put in the hours that you appeared for, or you could start the timer right there. So depending on the item that you have chosen right here, you can either choose to start the timer or you can automatically fill in the time. So let's say, for example, 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours. So I'll simply type that in right here. After you have done that, you can select the date. So let me select the date real quick. Once you have selected the date, from there you can scroll down and you can choose whether it is billable. Yes. Then from there you can put in your billable hourly rate. So let's say $100. After you have done that, you'll scroll down and you're going to tap on save. So just like that, you have created your first billable time. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to be generating an invoice. To generate an invoice is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is tap on New in the top left-hand corner right beside the PracticePanther logo. After tapping on New, you're going to tap on Invoice. Then once you have tapped on Invoice, from here, you're going to tap on Open Invoice. After you have selected Open Invoice, you're going to select a contact that you would like to bill. So let me select the contact real quick. After you have selected the contact, it is going to auto-populate it. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to simply scroll down. And by the way, if you would like to offer them a discount, you can fill in discount right there. And right where you see Add Unbilled Time, you're going to tap right there. Then after you have done that, you're just going to tap on Add to Invoice. And it is going to auto-populate the invoice. Once it has done that, you can scroll down. You could fill in any notes you'd like to add, terms and conditions, and so on. And to accept payments using this platform, you can tap on Activate for free. And then from there, you'll be able to activate different payment options. Once you have done that, you can choose to either email the client, print it, or just save it for future reference. So you have different options. For this example, we're going to save it. So we'll tap on Save right there. So you can see that it shows what is due. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto PracticePanther is you can use it to manage legal documents. To upload legal documents and organize documents, all you need to do is select Documents from the top navigation bar. After you have selected Documents from here, you could tap on Intake Forms or you could select Files. So let me select Files real quick. After you have selected Files from here, you can choose to upload new file. So you could select New File. And then from there, you could tap on Select File and you'll be able to upload file. Another thing that you can also do, you can select e-signature. And this is where you'll be able to create your e-signature. So you can tap right here and you'll be able to create your e-signature as you can see right here. After selecting it, you'll be redirected to a new page. And once you select one of these payment options, you'll be able to create an e-signature and you can request signatures using PracticePanther. You can also use PracticePanther to schedule appointments and deadlines. To do this, you're going to click on Calendar from the top navigation bar. After you have clicked on Calendar, you can either select New Event or New Task. To create an event, you'll tap on New Event. Then you can give your event a name. You can also select a contact. Then you can add in the subject. After you have added in the subject, you can select the start date, end date, and you can choose whether you like it for all day or not. You can also add in a description. You can add a reminder if you want. And you can scroll down, you can add the attendees. So you can add the different users that you would like to attend. After you have done that, you can also choose to upload any files that you want related to this. And you're just going to tap on Save. You can tap on Save and add time entry if you want, or you can select Save. So you can see it right there. So that's how you'll be able to schedule appointments and deadline. You can also use PracticePanther to communicate and secure messages. To do this, all you'll need to do from here, you'll go over to the top navigation bar once more, and you're going to tap on New. After you have tapped on New, from here you have Communications, and you can choose to either log a call, message or text messages, as you can see right there. So you could tap on text messages. These features are available on the paid plan. And that's basically it when it comes onto PracticePanther. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. To view your reports, you'll select reports right here. And from here, you'll be able to see reports that, for example, when you have gotten paid, different information, the different matters that are outstanding, and so on. And thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.